In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily make the Google Earth zoom in effect for your video. To get started, open Google Earth in your browser and search for the location you want to feature in your video. This could be a city, a landmark, or any place you want to zoom into. The key here is to choose your destination first, so the entire effect feels intentional and easy to control. Once you've found the place, set up your starting view. Zoom out until you can see the globe, or at least a much wider area around your destination. Then position the map exactly where you want the effect to begin. This starting composition matters because it determines how dramatic and cinematic the zoom will feel when you play it back. Next, begin a screen recording. You can use your computer's built-in screen recorder or a recording tool like OBS Studio. Make sure the recording starts before you begin zooming so you don't accidentally cut off the beginning of the movement. It's always better to record a little extra and trim it later than to miss the opening of the effect. Now slowly zoom in toward your destination using your mouse scroll wheel. Try to keep the movement smooth and steady the whole time. Avoid moving the mouse around too much while you zoom because unnecessary motion can make the effect feel shaky or less polished. A slow, controlled zoom usually looks much more professional than a fast, jerky one. Keep zooming until you reach the exact location you want to highlight, then stop the recording. At this point, you've captured the raw footage for the effect. After that, open your video editor. You can use CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or whichever editor you prefer. Import your Google Earth screen recording into the project so you can clean it up and prepare it for your final video. Trim the clip to remove the parts before and after the actual zoom. You only want to keep the smooth section that creates the effect. This makes the result feel tighter and more intentional. If the zoom feels too slow, adjust the playback speed. You can speed it up slightly to make it more engaging. If you want a more cinematic look, add speed ramping or smooth keyframes to help the motion feel more dynamic. To make the destination clear, add text or a location label as the zoom arrives. You can also include arrows, pins, or simple graphics to draw attention to the exact place. If this clip connects to another part of your video, add a short fade or zoom transition. That helps the Google Earth effect blend in more naturally. You can also add a subtle whoosh sound during the zoom to make it feel more immersive. Finally, export your video in the same resolution as your project, ideally 1080p or higher. Once that's done, your video will have a clean Google Earth style zoom in effect ready to use.